wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids!
From A to Z,
From east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! And happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Woohoo!
It's
Trick
my
or treat.
favorite holiday.
I know.
I love Halloween so much.
Do you know what your costume is going to be?
I love how when he does it, it's cute, but when I do it, it's supposed to be annoying. No way, Jose.
Because you go overboard. You go so. You're a little bit over dramatic.
Kids, you just remember this moment when it comes to Thanksgiving and you just see how he acts and see if I make fun of him or not for it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Do you like the jack-o'-lantern I brought in?
I do. It's very cute. Aw.
I just
love
did that for you.
jack-o'-lanterns. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Do you know what you're gonna wear for Halloween?
I have so many ideas.
Oh, are you making your own?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, really?
Yeah. At least part of it. I'm going to at least, like, if I buy parts of it, then I'm probably going to add some glitter or maybe like a ribbon or a flower or something like that.
Have you selected or are you still trying to think which one?
I think I know which one, but I don't know if I should make it a surprise, so I think I'm just going to keep it a surprise.
Okay.
How about you?
I thought you maybe narrowed it down from 100 to 50.
Well, there's a lot of runner-ups because there's so many great options, but also I think I'm gonna try and put like multiple things together maybe.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well, I have already selected, but I'm not gonna tell. It's a secret.
Tell me, please.
No, I'm not gonna tell. Not yet. Nope. I want it to be a surprise for Halloween.
Wow. I'm really excited to find out what it is. I wonder if I could guess.
I'm not gonna tell. My lips are
Maybe. You could
My
be a
lips are sealed.
train. Oh, you could be a train conductor. You could be a ghost. You could be a pumpkin. You could be.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay. Well, should we tell the kids what we're doing today?
Yeah, what are we doing today?
Today we are making Halloween masks, so it's also good for our costumes.
So wood mask, right?
Yeah. So this is a wood mask. So I have a chicken one.
And I have an owl.
Yeah, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw the designs on it, and then we're going to color it in with markers, and then we can hold it up in front of our faces.
Yeah, and kids, you can buy masks like this at any store pretty much, right?
Yeah, and if you don't have it from a store, what you can do is you can trace it on maybe construction paper, or if you have poster board, and then you can glue a popsicle stick to it and make your own.
Yeah, the paper should probably be a little bit thicker just so it's steady.
Yeah, poster board is good. Oh, but if you do use construction paper, what you can do is you can put one popsicle sticker across the top, one on the bottom, and then two on the sides like a square so that the popsicle sticks keep it strong.
Oh, that's actually a very, very good tip.
Yeah,
Yep.
cool.
Or you can also buy masks like these.
Whoa, yeah.
They're pretty cool, right?
That's really cool. Ooh.
And then you can paint them and paint funny masks like you can be a green monster.
Oh, yeah, you could be like a green
blue
giant
dolphin, or even a blue mermaid.
Or you could be...
Oh, I know, for you could be Belle.
Oh, yeah, I could be Belle. Or, and you could be Simba. Yeah.
But then I would have to create some more and add on some stuff, like a huge mane.
Yeah, but you could use feathers for that.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, that'd be really, really cool.
But how do we connect them? Well, you should buy these elastics so you can connect them from one end of the face to the other end, and then you just wrap it around behind you, and then it'll stay. You can just put them over your face, just like that.
Ooh, yeah. That's an instant Halloween costume.
Yeah. Actually, kids.
Yeah?
There's one thing I should say.
What's that?
I'm not going to say what I'm going to do in my costume, but remember We should tell them so they can look out for that.
Okay.
So, kids, what we're gonna do with this mask is a very, 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 very special episode.
Kids, did you notice how many berries he used? See,
I was excited.
You do too.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Now I was excited. So we're doing a very special episode, right?
Yeah,
We're
so
going to
special.
we've planned a trip to Avatar Land.
Yeah,
and
so neat.
So we fit in. We decided we're going to dress up as avatars.
Yeah, we're gonna be. Can I tell them the color?
Yeah,
we're gonna be so blue. Yeah, we're gonna be blue with like little stripes and long hair.
Yeah, and
it's gonna
funny
be so
ears.
neat. Yeah, I'm so excited.
So we're gonna actually teach you how to make yourself look like an avatar with special makeup.
Yeah, but we're gonna do that one in our next craft video.
Yeah, it's a special episode. Special episode.
Yeah.
And then maybe you'll see us go visit Avatar Land. Okay.
Yeah.
But for today, we're gonna do the wooden face mask. So I'm gonna put these to the side for later.
Yeah.
And then, so what will we need besides our wooden masks?
You need your wooden mask or your construction paper or poster board mask.
Okay.
And a bunch of markers.
Just like out here.
Yep, just like out here. And then you just go ahead and
Color.
get creative. Yep, draw it on.
Okay. Well, because I'm an owl, I'm gonna use brown. Because owls are brown.
And I'm going to use a little bit of black to make eyelashes and stuff. I want to be a pretty chicken. I'm going to be a pretty chicken. This is like, it's like if we were doing like a second Halloween costume. It's like a little extra one.
Exactly. Olivia.
Yeah?
I have another idea.
What's your other idea?
We should make a mask for Fluffy. Because then he'll also have a costume.
Yeah, Fluffy would love that. Wow,
What do you think we should do? Oh, I know.
What?
Well, he's a dog, right? Why don't we make a cat face? Wouldn't that be funny?
That'd be awesome.
Then maybe Fluffy will chase himself.
Oh yeah, he can run around in circles and circles and circles chasing himself. I wonder if he'll catch himself.
Yeah, why don't we do that together? So kids, you get your face mask, get your markers, and start drawing. We'll be right back after this. We're gonna finish ours, and then we're also gonna quickly do Fluffy's. Okay?
Yeah, it's gonna be so cool to do Fluffy's. He's gonna be so surprised.
Yeah, he will.
Yeah, this is gonna look so nice on Fluffy.
Oh, kids, you're back. Did you make your wooden masks already too?
Yeah.
It's time to show them off, right?
Oh, yeah, we should show them all.
Okay.
Should we show them ours first?
Yeah,
and
let's
then
show
Fluffy's
ours
at the
first.
end? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to show yours first or me show mine first?
I want to show...
You show yours first, okay.
Ta-da!
Woo! He's a Halloween owl.
I'm a Halloween owl.
What does the owl say? Yeah. That's awesome. Can I show mine? Yeah, I like it a lot. I really like the big bright eyes and the blue on the top.
Yeah, I made a little bit of a shade down here. It was hard with the markers, but I was a little bit crafty. So basically...
Ooh, how did you do it?
I made it all yellow, and then I put brown onto my finger, and then I just finger painted it a little bit.
Oh, that's really smart. So
Pretty cool, huh?
you mixed it together, sort of.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I learned that from you, that you can be a little bit creative that way.
Oh, thanks. Can I show you mine? I made this.
Wow.
Woo, and I can go click, 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 chicken, 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 chicken. All the chicken sounds. Yeah. And
those eyes are so big that you can see through it through both eyes.
Yeah, look right now. The heart's in the middle of the eye.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
And the rainbow's coming out of her head.
Yeah. Now let me look through it.
Can you see? Yeah.
Do you see my eyes?
Yeah, and my eyes. Look, we can both look through it.
Oh, that's so funny.
Ooh, neat. Hi, Fluffy.
Oh, hi, Fluffy. How are you?
Yeah, did you have a good day? Yeah? You went walking? Do you know what, Fluffy? We have a surprise for you.
Don't slobber all over me. We're not going to play with you. We just have a surprise for you.
But it's a little bit like playing. Do you want to see? Should I show him? It's okay?
Yeah, you should show it to him.
Okay. Look, Fluffy. You can be a cat for Halloween. Oh, he's licking the cat mask. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's markers. Don't eat the markers. Yeah.
Yeah,
see,
don't
kids?
eat the markers.
Yeah, we made a cat mask for Fluffy.
Here, Fluffy, why don't you look through it?
Ooh. Now Fluffy's a kitty. Fluffy!
Oh, he wants to go after it. That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah, he's totally gonna chase himself. He won't know if he's a cat or a dog.
Yeah.
Oh, we can call him Cat Dog.
Cat dog.
Cat Dog.
Cat dog.
Cat Dog.
Cat dog.
Meow. He'll chase me. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, but it's like a shield too. That's nice. Oh, Fluffy! Oh, we got it.
He took it away.
Yeah.
I don't know if he liked it so much or if he just wants to eat it.
Yeah, maybe a little bit of both.
That's funny.
Yeah, cats are not his favorite.
Yeah.
Nope.
Well, that's okay. We
Cool.
did it for fun for him.
Yeah, it was definitely fun for him. He enjoyed it.
Yep.
Cool.
Well, I should go back to preparing my Halloween outfit.
Ooh, me too. I'm gonna go do mine too.
Yep. Okay, kids. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you, guys.
We hope that you learned more about how to make your own masks.
Yeah, and that you had fun coloring and just being creative.
Yeah, and send us your pictures because we would love to see them.
Oh yeah, I would love to see them.
Yep.
Great.
Okay.
All right.
Bye, kids. See you next time.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Yeah, like this. Trick or treat. Okay, I'm gonna go make my costume.
Yeah, I don't have a treat.
Okay, me either.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!